a world facing the challenges of climate change, soil degradation, and the need for sustainable food system, the Agroecology Project unites partners from Italy, Portugal, and Spain in a shared mission, which is to promote sustainable farming, empower rural communities, and foster international collaboration. Therefore, this initiative brings together organizations committed to environmental sustainability, inclusion, and informal education, including 20 Plus Europe, an NGO dedicated to supporting young people and individuals with disabilities through hands-on learning experiences. One of the key objectives of this project is to identify and share the most effective strategies for adapting to climate change and protecting the soil. By exchanging knowledge and best practices, each participating country consolidates local capacities, ensuring that small-scale farmers and agricultural communities are occupied with the tools that they need to build resilience and sustainability. Another fundamental goal is the creation of agroecological gardens that promote the local production of nutritious and sustainable food. These gardens, along with the European Farm to Fork strategy, not only contribute to environmental sustainability, but also empower individuals in rural areas who are managing small-scale agriculture farms. Through these initiatives, participants gain hands-on experience, learning how to cultivate crops in harmony with nature while strengthening local food systems. Inclusion is the heart of this project. 13 Plus Europe plays a crucial role in ensuring that young people and those with disabilities have access to meaningful learning opportunities in agroecology. By engaging in practical agricultural activities, they develop independence, environmental awareness, and essential skills that contribute to both personal and community growth. Beyond local impact, the Agroecology Project fosters international collaboration, creating a strong and lasting network of environmental advocates. And not only that, but sustainable farming initiatives. This project is not about growing food, it's about growing communities, knowledge, and resilience. Throughout agroecology, where rural communities, young entrepreneurs, and individuals of all disabilities can thrive. Join us in this journey. Together, we can cultivate a greener, more inclusive world, one seed at a time. If you want to stay updated on news, events, and initiatives, follow the Facebook page of 13 Plus Europe. See you there.